A new record in the coronavirus pandemic in the U.S. Today's one-day total for positive cases topped the 50,000 mark for the first time.
The troubling increase causing many states to rethink their reopening plans. According to the CDC, there are more than 2.6 million cases in the country, and more than 127,000 people have died. So what does this mean for our area? CBS 2's Bauman live on the west side tonight with more. Allie.
Oh, Maurice and Christine, the governor says he's concerned about the rising number of cases around the country impacting our area. And since you can't wear a mask while eating, restaurants will have to keep serving customers outdoors a bit longer. And while indoor dining is postponed, outdoor swimming has the go-ahead. The first day of July, and for the first time all year, all 14 miles of New York City beaches are open for swimming. These kids are wasting no time at Rockaway Beach.
I like to go in the water and play with my friends.
Beachgoers are encouraged to follow state guidelines, keeping blankets and chairs 10 feet apart and avoiding group activities. Lifeguards will be on duty 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, and instead of mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, they'll use a special CPR bag that replaces rescue breathing.
You felt so bad because a lot of people come to the beach and they couldn't go in the water. So now at least they can go in, the lifeguards are back, so that's great.
New York is recording its lowest 5-day hospitalization increase since the pandemic started, but infection rates are skyrocketing in other states, like Texas, where some hospitals are so inundated they're moving patients to other cities.
We had to send patients as far as Huntsville or Galveston, which is from here, if you do the map, it is more than 50 miles away.
In California, some hospital ICUs are now 90% full, prompting its governor to order 70% of the state to close bars and ban indoor dining for the next 3 weeks. Here in New York, Governor Cuomo is following suit.
We have to reduce the concentration and gatherings of people.
Indoor dining will no longer be allowed to start in the city next week as planned. Cuomo says it's because New Yorkers have become less vigilant about social distancing, and they can't stop people from other states coming to city restaurants.
It's going to be a problem for us, for the staff, for the business.
Meantime, a house party in Rockland County is being blamed for a new COVID cluster. Officials say a Clarkstown resident held a party in June while he was symptomatic, and now 8 guests have tested positive. To make matters worse, health officials say the partygoers are not complying with contact tracers.
My staff has been told that a person does not wish to or have to speak to my disease investigators. They hang up.
The pause on indoor dining only applies to New York City restaurants, and as for when they'll be allowed to serve customers indoors again, the governor would not give a time frame. We're live in Hell's Kitchen. Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.
Allie, thank you.